This 48-inch dual-fuel range by Bertazzoni is part of the Heritage series. It has a matte black front with stainless accents, 2 large viewing windows, and the signature Bertazzoni logo. It is shown with Bertazzoni's optional gold accessories and handle kit, and features soft closing doors. The counter-depth main top comes with 3 heavy-duty continuous cast iron grates and 6 cast-on brass sealed burners with removable caps. Burner output highs consist of one 3500, two 5900, one 10400, and 2 19,000 BTU dual-ring power burners. Also included is a walk ring and an 11-inch 1100-watt stainless griddle with cover and drip tray. Below the bullnose are 10 knobs, 6 are burner knobs, and the others control the several oven functions, the temperatures, and the griddle. There's also a digital oven gauge with a clock, timer, and language features. At the ledge of the left side of the oven is a signature plate. The 4.6 cubic foot self-cleaning oven has a dark porcelain interior and glass door with 2 smooth gliding racks, several marked rack positions, 2 halogen oven lights, and dual diagonal convection fans with a heating element. The 2.4 cubic foot manual clean oven comes with 2 flat racks, 7 marked rack positions, and 1 oven light. To learn more about ovens, check us out at app.com or visit our showroom located at 1200 North Milwaukee Avenue in Glenview, Illinois.